are going to use HelloFresh for this week. That's it. Let's start. Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today is Tuesday and we are going to use HelloFresh for this week. So we are going to use HelloFresh from Tuesday till Friday because we have ordered 4 meals which will cover the whole week. And I want to try using HelloFresh and see if it will really help you in cooking in the kitchen. And the good thing about this HelloFresh is that everything is delivered to you already. You don't have to go to the grocery store anymore, and they have the recipes over here. The reason why I would love to try it is because, you know, there are some advantages in using HelloFresh. Like, I won't have to search for cool or new dinner ideas. So all I have to do is to choose among the hundreds of menus that they have in their website. So we have ordered the paprika chicken and broccoli. This one takes 45 minutes to be ready. And we also have the Mexican beef corn pie. And this one takes, you can see it over here. It takes 40 minutes to be ready. And then we have this American spiced pork steak. It takes 40 minutes to be ready as well. And last one, we have the sweet chili pork burger, which takes 40 minutes as well to be ready. And over here, you will have the ingredients in this side that you will be needing. And at the back, you'll see the step-by-step guide on how you're going to prepare the meals. So these are the detailed ingredients over here. And at the bottom part, you'll see the nutrition, the label. So let's give the first one a try. I'm going to choose between the 4 of these, which one we will be eating tonight. And that's it. Let's start.
So I want to show you guys first how everything was delivered to us. We ordered meals good for 4 people since there are 3 people in our house. As you open the box, you'll see all the recipe cards at the top, and then all the produce and dry ingredients are carefully packed and grouped together by their individual meal. All the meats and cold ingredients are stored in an insulated styrofoam cooler, which comes with several ice packs inside too. All you have to do after opening it is store everything in the fridge. And lastly, you can identify your meal by looking at the color code at the bottom of the recipe card and the meal pack. So today, I decided I'm going to cook the American spiced pork steaks with roast veggie and baby spinach medley. It has a sweet and mild all-American spices and a ton of flavor to the pork steaks, combined with a colorful roast veggie mixture tossed with baby spinach and a delicate smoky aioli on the side. This is a modern and delicious combination. By the way, the recipe card may also list some pantry items. These are the ingredients which you may have in your pantry that they didn't include in the package anymore. Like for example, in this recipe, I'll be using olive oil, and luckily I have that in my pantry.
Stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top. Wishing everything would just come to a stop.
So let's start, you guys. While I'm thawing the meat, I'm going to wash the vegetables. And the first step, according to the recipe card, is to preheat the oven. Unfortunately, we don't have an oven, so I'm going to improvise. I'm going to use a large pan and I'll just cover it with an aluminum foil to cook the veggies. Now, I'm going to cut the kumara into 1 centimeter chunks. The card says that it should be unpeeled, but I'm not comfortable not peeling it, so I'm going to peel it. Then I'm going to cut the yellow capsicum into 2 centimeter chunks. After that, I'm going to slice the carrot into 1 centimeter thick rounds. I'm just estimating the sizes, but the card says that you should cut the veggies to the size so they cook in the allocated time.
Walking the streets, just you and me. Trying to fill the void, trying not to bleed. Sometimes life just moves too slow. You gotta find a reason to push it and go. You know we're trying our best to be a success. We're living our life trying to clean up the mess. Cause I'm stuck in this route, day in, day out. Thoughts come in but nothing comes out. I'm still trying to feel on top.
Now I've placed all the vegetables in the pan, and then I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil and season it with salt and pepper, and it says that I have to cook it for 25 to 30 minutes.
Cause we're trying to fill the holes in our souls. Trying to feel the music, let it take control. Stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top. Wishing everything would just come and stop.
While the vegetables are cooking, I'm going to start flavoring the pork. Since we have ordered meals for 4 persons, they have sent us 4 pieces of meat, so this means that it's meat for 1 person. I'm combining the meat and the All-American Spice blend in a large bowl. Then I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil and season it with salt and pepper. The recipe card is also very specific with its instructions, so it really helps a lot, especially for novice cooks like me. Now, the cards say that when the veggies have 15 minutes cook time remaining, heat a large frying pan over a medium-high heat. And then I have to toast the flaked almonds until golden for like 2 to 3 minutes. So while I'm frying the pork, I'm going to finely chop the chives. As to the veggies, I transfer them into a large bowl and combine the baby spinach leaves and half of the chopped chives. I also added 1/4 of the smoky aioli and tossed to coat. Then season it with salt and pepper. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The finished product will be on the last part of this video. Again, thank you and see you in my next video.